Good morning everyone. Education is very important in our life. Without education, we cannot achieve any success in the life. Education is an important tool for our bright future. It helps us learn many new and good things. It increases self-confidence within us.
School, Bahrampur, Mansur Chak, Begusai sir, most respectfully, I want to say that I am suffering from fever since last night. I am not able to come to school.
My dear members of Blue World International School, a very charming good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me a golden opportunity to speak something before you. I am Nishat Fatma. I read in class 5. My father's name is Mahfouz Akhtar. He is a businessman. I live at Maskandarga, Mansur Chak. My hobbies are reading books and singing. Thank you, that's all.
Good morning everyone. Education is very important. Without education, we cannot achieve any success in our life. Education is the key of success. It helps us increase self-confidence within us. It makes independent. Education is the most powerful weapon in the world. Thank you, that's all.